Man, what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey, the Phone Trader channel. We back with another banger, guys. Alright, we got a trading video, guys, but we took two L's. We took a L yesterday on Tuesday, and today is Wednesday, and we took a L, man. But you know what? It's all good, man. These were the same setups that I was taking last week that helped me pass the account. It's just that the trades are not going my way, man, but it's all good, man. It's straight. I'm going to size down, man, until we get the account back up. I started sizing down today. Normally was taking $200 trades, one trade a day, and lost that trade yesterday on gold, which I'm getting ready to show you. And then today we lost two trades. Those were $100 trades. We lost it on NASDAQ. It's just not going our way, man, but it's all good, man. We're just gonna keep doing what we do. We're gonna keep pushing and keep grinding, y'all. But yeah, man, we're gonna show you the trade that we took yesterday and my analysis on gold yesterday and today's trade. Two trades on NASDAQ today. We lost all three of them, so it is what it is. It's all good, man. So what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna turn the camera around. We're gonna check out the analysis on gold's trade yesterday. All right, guys, so this is yesterday's trade on gold, man. As you can see, XAU USD 15-minute time frame, and the 1 hour is where I like to place my trades. So if you see this trend line started about the 19th or the 20th of this month. So I drew this trend line going down, man. So what I was waiting for is this wedge. On my chart, when the market is in this wedge going up to this major trend line, then I know that I need to start looking for a sale, man. That's what I look for, man. Those were the trades that I took last week. That end up working out. A wedge going into a major zone, and I'm looking for a sale. As you guys can see, it did not work my way, man. So what I ended up, my analysis was that I was looking for a sale, and I was watching this little area right here, guys. All that area right there, man. I said, okay, I am looking for a sale, but I feel like the market does want to go up a little bit and then come back down. So I was, guys, going to take my trade around about here, where this blue trend line, this blue trend line is right here, this trend line right there, and then this trend line crossing. So it was right here at that, oh shucks. So I was looking at this area right here to place this trade, but I wanted to wait, and I'm glad I did, but I ended up still losing. So I was going to take the trade right around that area, man, and this was the 25th of yesterday. As you guys can see, today is the 26th. I say, you know what? I'm going to wait to see if the market is going to keep respecting this blue trend line going up to this wedge, going up to the main trend line. So I wanted to get my trade in at the very top of that trend line coming down. And not going to prolong this, but as you guys can see, we took a L, man. It barely stopped us out up here and then came down to take profit, which is cool. It's all good, man. So that was a $200 loss trade, man. I said, you know what? It's all good, man. I was done for the day yesterday. I only wanted to take one trade. I said, you know what? I am at $24,800. This is a 25K account. I do have a trailing drawdown now. So you know what? I'm going to size down to $100 trades. Now we are going to go to micro NASDAQ. We're going to go to today's trade. So I'm giving you my analysis and what I was looking for. So I was paying attention to this trend. I was paying attention to this when the market broke structure right here. So I was like, you know what? We are hitting a major trend line. And NASDAQ made me feel like it was going to continue up, but it didn't really do nothing but just play around there and then drop. And something else that I caught that I'm now looking at, but I'll explain it. So as you guys can see, I was watching the market to see what would happen right there. And of course, the market broke structure. It broke it, guys. that red line right there. The market went above that red line. I said, okay, I still want to look for buys. Give me a quick little, you know what I'm saying, $200, you know what I'm saying, to make up for yesterday. But one thing that I noticed, guys, look at that. That is a Head and Shoulders, man. And I did not catch that. That is a perfect, beautiful Head and Shoulders. And what did that do? Drop down, man. As you guys can see, that's the current market. That joker dropped down. And I missed the Head and Shoulders, man. I said, dang, bro, now that I'm looking at that. But we're going to erase that. And we're going to zoom in a little bit more. As you guys can see, went in for the buy, lost it. Went in for the buy, lost it. But it's all good, man. The first one right here, guys. This blue line right here is a demand zone that I was looking at right there, guys. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 strong candles going up to the upside because we broke previous high right there, man. We broke this high. Only time that when I take in supply and demand setups, it has to break the low or it has to break the high for me to take a buy or a sell. In this case, it broke this previous high, so that made me think that the market wanted to continue up, and it didn't though. But self-explanatory. That was is this a 15 minute? Actually, let's go to the 1 hour. I think the 1 hour looked better. Yep, the 1 hour looked better. So this blue line right here, guys. So as you guys can see, we got 1, 2 on the 1 hour. We got 2 strong yellow candles going to the upside that broke that high. So I had placed my trade like this, as you guys can see. So I don't place my trade, guys, until it wicks my area. Once it wicks my area and it finishes above my demand zone or supply zone, then that's when I'll take the trade. If it don't wick it like I want to, then I'm not getting in, man. So this was at 50 point stop loss, and I was looking for a 1 to 3. I was looking to make my money back and then some. So this was a $100 trade that I ended up losing. As you guys can see, right here was my demand zone, and right here is where the market tapped my zone and it finished above. That was a perfect, beautiful, self-explanatory demand zone, guys. It wicked my area like I wanted to, and I thought it was going to keep going up, and it eventually went against me. So that was the first trade that I took. So now we're going to go to the second trade that I took. The second trade, if we look down here, what do we see? We see another major demand zone, man. I decided to get in again, man, because I'm like, man, that is another great demand setup. I ain't finna miss that, man. I already lost $100. I was like, nah, I don't know, man, but I want to give it a chance because you never know, man. So I had set on the 1 hour time frame. It was actually on the 15-minute time frame. So let's go to the 15-minute. All right, we're going to scroll out over here. And as you guys can see, what do we have? We have a beautiful gap. See the gap right there? On the 15-minute time frame, you see that little gap right there? That is a fair value gap. So we're going back to the 1 hour. I noticed it on the I noticed this on the 15-minute time frame, but I wanted to take the trade off the 1 hour time frame. So I said, you know what? That's what we're gonna do, man. So I had again, guys, place my trade like this, thinking that the market was gonna respect it, because we have 1, 2, 3 strong candles going to the upside, and because the market broke this high, I'm like, it's got to fill these gaps. I think that it's going to tap this area, and then we possibly can go to the upside. As you guys can see, it didn't do that. It just went straight down. It stopped me out again. This was, I think I did like a $130 trade, because after I lost this, let's go to my account now. As you guys can see, I lost $231 on this trade. I lost $131 on this trade. I risked a little bit more. I'm not for sure what I did, man. Or I moved my stop loss down a little bit more just to see what it was gonna do. But nevertheless, $100 trades. On the first trade, lost $100. On this trade, I lost $131. So the account now, Take Profit Trader funded account, is down almost $400. It's okay, man. But guess what? I took my setups. Those were my setups. Those were the setups that I was taking last week that helped me pass the account. It's just yesterday and today, it didn't go my way. It's all good, man. I'm not upset. I'm not mad. I'm not tripping. I stayed within my scaling plan. I stayed with the strategy. I saw what I saw and I took it. It just didn't go my way, man. It's all good, man. Losing comes with the game. I'm perfectly fine with that. So yeah, man, we took a L yesterday and we took 2 L's today, man. Normally I would risk $200 per trade, but lost that first trade on the funded account yesterday. I said, you know what? I'm gonna size down, man. It's down at $800. So today I took I lowered my risk to $100. I said, you know what? After that first loss, I said, you know what? If I see another setup, I'll take it again. But if I don't, I'm good. So that would have been $300. So now it's almost at we're down with 300 and some change. I just say $400. But hey, it's all good. Hey, it comes with the game, man. So those are my trades that I took today, guys. I think what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to start posting all my trades with this account, man. Because now I can, you know what I'm saying, record from the phone, edit from the phone, and post on YouTube from the phone. So I'm just going to give you guys content. I just want to take you guys on this journey with me of trying to get this thing to a payout. We got some work to do, man. Our trailing drawdown is at 1,100. And the account is now at $64,616, man. So hey, it's all good, man. I'm not tripping, man. So thumbs up. It's all good, man. It comes with the game, man. We just got some work to do, man. But make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos. And bang! Corey, the phone trader, got coming out, man. Stay locked in. Stay tuned. We just gonna keep doing what we do, man. We see the setup, we gonna take it. I'm not letting up off the gas. If I see it, I'm gonna take it. It could possibly go my way. It can possibly go against me, man. That's what I did last week. That's how we end up passing it. I just pressed the gas and just went, and we passed it. So this week, starting off a little slow, but we got $1,100 to play with. We gonna keep going. We gonna keep pressing. We gonna keep pushing. And always remember, guys, you can do all things through Christ which strengthens you. Never give up. Keep pushing. Keep pressing. Keep striving after your dreams, man. That's the point we want to get to, man. We want to become our own entrepreneur when it's all said and done, man. Using trading to open up different streams of income, man. Shoot. I got my mind unlocked to anything, man. I just want God to use me as a vessel. I want God to use me in a way to where he can get the glory and bless me in a way where I can bless other people, man. And hopefully this is going to work out. Hopefully I can get a payout from this, man. Hopefully we can keep going, and you know what I'm saying? We're just going to keep striving, guys. Until next video, man. Love y'all. Peace, blessings. And stay tuned, guys. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1. Y'all know what it is, man. Say it with me. Peace out.